Hello everyone. I went to an event the other day and the wind broke my cover, LCD cover on my Canon. The cover it cost $32 from Canon. I'll put the numbers, the phone numbers on the screen so that you guys can buy an order if you need to replace one. But they charge $269 to replace it. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna try to do it myself. And I ordered a part. Here's the part. Here's the brand new part, which is like little cover here, $32.10 plus $7 shipping, so about less than $40. But I could not find a tool to take off the screw. There's two screw inside here. So inside here. When I put it back, you are going to see it. I took it off already. So what I had to do, I had to make my own tools. So to make my own tool, I had to cut one of this because it's only a half an inch space, low profile. I searched on Amazon for hours, couldn't find one. So I decided, you know what, I got plenty of this, and then I'm just going to cut one of these screw and going to make my own. And this is my tool right here. I cut it. I find one of this little black flat metal, and it has a hole, but the hole is a little bit too big. So what I did, I put the the plastic for drywall screw, so I put the plastic inside there, and I just poke the thing through, poke the screwdriver through. So I got myself a screw where I can go like half an inch. This is the half an inch space, so I can go in. I can take the screw off over there. It take a little time to take it off. Once I took it off, there's two cable, as you can see here, one small one big one. So I have to disconnect that to remove this out completely. That way I can take off this side, the screw that broke on this side. So there's four screws altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to put it back in a minute. So to put it back in, first I have to hook up tiny little wire here. I don't know what kind of wire it is here. So I have to hook up that tiny wire and then the big one. The big one is easy, but the tiny one is difficult because it might break. You just too small. So I'm just going to turn off the camera. That way it doesn't take too much time, and you guys can just kind of like plug it in yourself. So let me turn off the camera and then I'll be right back once I got it all connected. So now it's all set already. So now I'm just gonna have to struggle to get the screwdriver and the screw in to go like this. Keep screwing all the way, but that's how I do it. I had to make my own tools to get this to work. Otherwise, I pay $269 to get it replaced by Canon, and the Canon make it difficult on purpose, I believe. You can always just make it clip to go there, but they didn't. They make it more difficult. But anyway, that's how I replaced the cover on a Canon xf405. Thank you for watching. So I just want to show you fun. I had to bend my tool a little bit to get it to work correctly, but once I got it to the handle of it, then it seemed pretty easy to screw it in, kind of like bend it to the way you want it. So when you make the tool, you got to find something flat and make a hole in there, and then use one of those plastic drywall thing to put it inside the hole, and then cut the screw and just poke it through, and once it got in there, then it's tight. I use additional black tape, which is electrical tape, to tighten it up, make it easier to screw in. So it seems like it's good now. But when you screw in, you also use the screen. You can actually, that's how to replace the screen also. So you can actually replace the whole entire screen, not just the cover, because mine only the cover is broke. That's why I just replaced the cover. So, but this LCD screen, that's how you replace it. Just 2 wire, and I think it's all good now, all tied up. That's it.